Hello guys and welcome to another PG Tech video. Hi guys, today I will show you how to set up shutdown time on your Mac with terminal. Don't be worried, it's not very difficult to use your terminal. You don't have to be an expert on something like that to use your terminal. So let's jump in my PC and I will show you just how easy it is to do it. So let's go. Okay guys, so first of all we need to open terminal. So go to Spotlight and then enter terminal. Now the terminal is open, so write down this command: sudo shutdown -h plus 60. So my Mac will go down now for 60 minutes, or we can enter 30. So my Mac will go down for 30 minutes, or we can enter 15. So my Mac will go down now for 15 minutes. So you get the point. You can enter here any number do you want. So I will enter once again 60 and press enter. So enter now your password and then hit enter once again, and that's all. So you can see my PC will now go down for 1 hour, and that's all. See you soon guys. So guys, if you like what I do, please leave the comment, and of course hit the like button, it's down there, and also subscribe button, it's also down there. And thank you very much and have a nice day.